50 number.
Yes, sir.
Are you only in this batch? No one else is joining.
Sir, I will ask them.
Okay. Roll number 50.
Yes, sir.
What is the status?
Sir, I had put message in the group.
In the group. Okay, let's wait. Meanwhile, we will start the program because I don't think so that the people are gonna to appear. Okay, one more student is there. Okay, so you can see in the chat box I have pasted that the we are going to study the rotate and shift instruction. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so now the under this one, the very first program I am going to put. Okay, I have dropped that one in the chat box. That is the program to transfer the value 41H. Okay, see the 41H is the value. Instead of that 41H, anything could be there. Okay, so right now as a data we have taken 41H. I can also take 21, then 59, 07, anything. Okay, so that data we wanted to transfer serially on port B, pin number 1. How can we do so? Any idea from your side?
Sir, can you repeat the question once again?
I have already pasted that one in the chat box.
Write a program, transfer the value of 41 is serially 1 bit, time by pin, put one high at the end and send LSB first. Uh, Sir, we can like use the increment function.
What kind of increment? Hmm. Over here, there isn't going to be any kind of increment. We need to see what is the main problem definitely. We are going to study the several experiments under the aim that is to study rotates and shift instruction of Atmega 32. Okay, so you must concentrate that in these categories, as many programs we are going to learn, those are going to be for the rotate and shift instruction only.
Okay, sir. Mm. So, like in last lab, you taught that means we can shift the value by increasing the uh, assign that part. Sorry, the register where, we are, where, we are, 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 assigning that value.
Hmm? Think over it.
Mm, uh,
Hmm? Okay, I'm simply giving you the code and we will try to understand. Just check the code.
okay, sir.
Can you see the code?
Not yet, sir. Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Okay, so over here the code is there. So try to find out how it is going to work. See, ORG, that is fine. SBI DDRB1, what does it mean?
Uh,
SBI instruction. There are two instructions, that is SBI and CBI. Okay, what it stands for? Okay, first of all, tell me, what about DDRB?
Sir, DTRB is sir. Just give me a second. Let me remember. Data direct register.
Data direction register B, port.
Yes, sir.
What it will do?
So it will assign the data to the. Uh,
It will decide the mode of
yeah, sir.
journey,
Yeah, that.
whether it is going to act as an input port or the output port.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Yeah.
Okay, now
Right.
can you recall further what that instruction tells? That SBI DDR-B, comma 1.
Sir, SBI.
SBI stands for, hmm, it is about set and clear. CBI and SBI, two instructions are there. That is set or clear a bit in the IO register. So SBI over here, that is going to set bit in IO register, that is DDRB, position at 1.
Hmm.
So what we are saying, that port B, one number pin, we wanted to act as an output port. So one has been said, okay, LDI 20, 41, the data we have taken, CLC, we have cleared that one, R16 has taken as the counter, SBI port B1, we are setting that one as the output, then ROR, we are taking into that carry flag, and then we are checking what is the status. So branch if carry flag set is 1, so that 1 is that label where it is going to go. If it is not, then that's clear the bit
Clear. Yeah.
port B1, and that is how it is going to work. Okay, so this is that first program. Why I am doing that, Arines? See, later on you can do all this program at your own. Okay,
Yes.
I'm just going to give you uh, the very basic idea about the program. Okay, as we are having less number of stunts, so now the next program, that is write a program to find the number of ones in the given byte. How can we do so?
Write a program to.
Same way, we need to see, we need to rotate the number. The number is going to be into the carry flag. If I'm executing roll instruction,
Hmm.
rotate right, roll is there, rotate left. So anyone we can execute, that instruction is going to be executed 8 times. Over there, that particular bit, if roll is there, then right. So MSB will go first into our carry flag. Then we are going to check whether that carry is 1 or not. So there is one instruction, that is branch if carry clear or branch if carry set. Anything you can see, anything you can consider. Now over here, I need to find out the number of ones. So according to BRCS or BRCC, I can execute and I can check whether that carry is cleared. BRCC, that means carry is cleared. That means carry flag is 0. That
Yes.
means whatever that MSP, see, row instructions आपने पढ़ा है class में?
हाँ सर पढ़ाया था.
So over there you must have learned that roar, then how that, see, I'm writing the uh, I'm writing the, what I can say, the format. So ROR REG. So REG stands for any of the register. Okay. So in that register, suppose let's say, uh, let's let's say me any of that value, 8-bit data. Tell me any of the 8-bit data.
Sir, should it be binary?
You just tell me the data. hexadecimal?
Just a second, sir.
Any of the data, random data, yeah. Let's say 89H is the data. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Suppose 89 is the data. If I wanted to count the number of ones, listen, if I wanted to count the number of ones, so in the binary format, that data is being written as like this. Just you see, 100010001. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now suppose if this data, that let's say this data is in R20 register. Okay, R20 register is holding the data that is 89H. Now what I will do, I will execute ROR instruction and R20. Okay, so while executing this one, the MSB is having 89. So 8 wala jo 1 hai, that will go into that carry flag. It is
Yes.
going to update. Now what will be the status of that carry flag? It is going to be 1. So either I am going to execute BRCC, I'm writing BRCC, or you can go for BRSC. Okay, BRCS, probably BRCS. Okay, so these two instructions are there. Either of them you can execute. CC cleared the carry flag, CS set the carry flag. Branch if carry flag is set, branch if carry flag is cleared. So utilizing this instruction, you can execute the program. Just I am pasting the program. Go through with that one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
आपने जो मैंने पहले दिए थे वो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए कि नहीं किए?
सर किया, एक किया उसमें से
नहीं चलेगा. और व्हाट इज योर नेम? 50 नंबर.
अनुभव सर.
अनुभव. सेकंड
Yes.
मैंने वो जो बुक अपलोड की थी, हैव यू डाउनलोडेड दैट बुक?
Yes, I have downloaded and I've started going through it, but
Okay.
I couldn't go through many pages because we have this Vivas and submissions this week, so I was
Okay,
busy
okay.
with that.
Okay. Otherwise, if you how many pages have you have gone through with that one?
So I guess something around 33.
Okay. Have you found that book that is useful and very lucid,
Yes, sir, of course.
self-explanatory,
Actually, the language in it is kind of easy for understanding.
as well as that examples given that is abound enough that any individual can understand that one at his or her own.
Yes,
That
sir.
is what the good thing about that one. Okay. Okay. So assume R20 at that packed BCD, write a program to convert the packed BCD into two ASCII number. Okay. So what is the ASCII number range?
ASCII numbers.
ASCII digits. Suppose see BCD numbers are, which are the BCD numbers first of all?
The BCD numbers are like 0 to 9.
0 to 9. So for 0, what is the ASCII equivalent?
For 0, ASCII is
See, if it is 0, okay, if it is 0, then the ASCII that is 30H.
30.
If it is 9, then the ASCII is 39. See, parallelly, I am writing all these things in our chat box also. You can see
Yes.
from there. Okay, so if 0, then 30H. If 9, then it is 39H. Is it clear?
Yeah, sir, actually I have a doubt. Like as we were taught, like 0, then ASCII number is null. Then if there is 1, then it is SOH or something like that.
No, I don't know, because see, I am teaching not this subject, but I am teaching this microprocessor, microcontroller since 2005. Okay, and I have taught not only this Atmega 32, but MSP 430, ARM microprocessor, 8085, 86, 87, 88, 286, 386, 486. That means almost all microprocessor, all microcontrollers, 8051. So till the time I don't have any kind of doubt. Whatever I have learned, that stands same. Suppose if someone says in 2005 that BCD number is having the range 0 to 9, so that has to be remain that same even after 50 years. It's not gonna to be changed. So whatever you are telling, I'm not getting from where you have learned. You can Google this one actually. Okay, what is that ASCII number for 0 to 9? Okay, and also some ASCII number chart is there. You can go through with that chart. So time being, you consider that one and not consider. This is true.
Yeah, I went through it. I got it. Like
Okay,
for 0
so
it's 30, and for 8 it's 38. For 9 it's
yeah, correct,
39.
correct, correct. So now let's have that the number. Let's assume that 89H is the number. Okay, that is, see, packed number and unpacked number. Do you know what is packed and unpacked?
No, sir, not a brief
Uh,
idea.
Anubhav, are you from the English medium?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One question I would like to ask that how many programs your faculty has conducted in the class?
Sir, actually, I wasn't that regular in classes, so I wasn't knowing.
So
And
see,
since
the thing is that in the laboratory, the whole burden to teach you related to all these stuffs that comes to me. See, in the laboratory, only the job of the laboratory teacher, not only in this particular subject, in every of that subject, just to guide the student. Okay, whatever the things they have learned in the theory, that they need to implement. So that fundamentals they are having, but if they are facing any problem, any error, then the faculty member would be there. Suppose that at Mega 30, at Mega Studio, if you people have not learned in that theory, obviously I will guide you that how to explore that one, how to create the project, how to find out the ports, etc., compile, etc. That I may teach to you. Okay, some another maybe programs are there, then also I will teach you. But if I am required to explain you each and everything, that is what is DDRB, because that is that architectural core part of that ATmega 32, then it is same one at your part as well as my part. You must learn that one.
yes, sir. Actually,
Okay.
I'm trying, and I'm
Okay,
sure that
see that
in next
what is
week
the
I will.
packed BCD? Listen me. What is the packed BCD and unpacked BCD?
Uh, Sir, packed day means like
You don't know what is packed and unpacked. See, 89 I have written that is packed BCD. And suppose if I'm writing 08 and 09H, which constitutes one number, sorry, 09H, which constitutes the number. So that is called that unpacked. So they
okay,
are
okay.
separated.
Hmm.
Okay, now the number what we have taken 89H. Okay, now for that 89, what would be that ASCII number? 38H and 39H would be that ASCII number. So what I need to do, I need to separate out these numbers. So if 89H is there, if I'm going to do the ending AND operation with, एक minute, yeah. So if I am going to do this ending with, yeah, with 0FH, what will be that outcome? I have pasted in the chat box. You better read that one and give me that answer.
89 ending with 0 FH. So, sir, would answer be like 89 itself?
यार जीरो को किसी से भी मल्टीप्लाई करो तो आंसर क्या
0 0
आएगा मेरे
0
भाई?
0 0. Sorry,
Okay,
sir.
so over here we are having this data. Okay, and that is gonna to be ending with this data. So now you tell me. See the chat box.
8 1 0. Mm, sir, in this like we have to multiply
The
first
straightaway
of,
answer, there are no multiplication ending, that is
sir,
same as the multiplication. But if I'm going to do the ending, one ended with zero.
is 0.
In the ending, if both the inputs
Yeah,
are one, then and then only
yeah,
that
that
result is one.
I got
It
that,
is
but
that
sir,
much simple.
will it be
So
like
over
sir,
here, that answer
like,
will be 09H. It is that much easy. So whatever that answer I am having, what I will do, whatever my answer is there, so that answer would be odd with uh, 30H. So that is going to give me that answer, that is
30?
39H.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now once again I will take my original number and I am going to do the ending with F0H. Okay. Then after one instruction is that is that swap instruction. Using that swap instruction, that answer which was 80H, that will become 08H. The lower nibble and the higher nibble are gonna to be swapped, interchanged. Okay. Now what I need to do? I am having 08H.
Uh,
Simply 08H is there. Do the
Yes.
ORing with 30H is going to give you the data that is
Yes.
38H.
Yes.
It
Sir.
is that much simple. So this is our program. Just I am giving you that program and have the study of that same. Everything is been listed over there. Okay. Now,
Do the LDI move.
okay, then okay, C programming is there. Okay, so आपको EPROM programming सिखाया है क्लास में? Have you been taught?
Sorry, sir. I didn't get your question.
Have you been taught EPROM programming in the class?
No, sir.
How it could be? Your sir is saying that everything has been taught into that class.
Intro.
So either or your faculty member is lying. Yes or no?
Sir, might be like it would be have covered when I was in present because
Then
like
what to do?
since
Because everything will be, see, then in that case, I need to explain you each and everything from the scratch. Huh?
sir, yeah, that's why I'm telling.
See,
Just give me a
I will
week.
left this particular topic to you. You need to understand. Now we are going to do the program introduction of C programming for ATmega 32. Now the first thing, the first experiment the first experiment under this one, just see the ADOR sensor is connected to port B1 and LED is connected to port C7. So what over here we need to do, the door sensor, when it opens, the LED should be on. Tell me, what shall we do?
Door sensor is connected to port B pin 1. It is connected to this and
See, how
sir,
many entities are there in which we are interested?
uh, 2 sensor and
Which,
LED.
which entities? Forget about sensor and LED at Mega 32 point of view.
Sir, like I can give you this solution. Means what I'm thinking that initially we will like direct sensor and LED.
How?
Sir, using DDRB code.
That is what I am telling you, but starting from the scratch, how many entities of 8 Mega 32 are having that concern over here?
Like sir, I ain't getting your question. Like entities in the sense.
Entity means some resources. Entity means something which is associated, which is the part of the at Mega 32.
Sir, we are associated with 2 pins,
Which are they?
pin 1 and pin 7.
Pin 1 and pin 7.
Pin 1 is taking the input as a door sensor, and then pin out.
No, you are not paying attention properly. It tells about pin 1 of port B. So PB1 is there and pin 7 of port C.
Okay.
We cannot be that much casual. If I am saying pin 1, likewise we are having total 4 registers. So which register I should consider? Pin 7, such kind of 4 registers are there.
Yes,
So
sir.
PB1 and PC7 is there.
Okay, sir, you got it.
PB1 and PC7
7.
are there. So I need to set their direction. So SBI and CBI. So setting the
Yes.
direction of SBI, then DDRB1. That would be, sorry, DDRB1. Okay. That would be that instruction. And CBI, clear, because it is going to be in, sorry, my mistake. Not would be that SBI, it would be CBI, because the port B1, that is the input. So I should clear that one. So CBI, DDRB, comma, which particular? So that is 1.
B1.
Okay, and SBI, DDRC, which one it is?
7.
The 7. So that is that output. That is what I need to do first of all. And then
Yes.
after I can do the rest of the things. Okay. Now over here, that same thing can be done in another way also. Okay, if I am going to do this one, that is DDRB is equal to DDRB ending with all of them are 1 except the P1 or D1. So it is going to make it clear. So this is the syntax of C language. Okay, same way in the C, I am going to keep the 7th number pin 1. I am setting that 7th number of the pin 1. Okay, so that is what over here, that is going to make it work like this. Okay, so just I am writing the program. I am giving it to you. Okay, let's understand. So define LED 7 is there and define sensor 1 is there. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. But though it has been defined, but nowhere it is being used in the program. So no need to define those LED 7 and sensors 1. Okay, straightway. So discarding that those two defined instructions, straightway you can write down the program. It is going to work. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because I am taking these all the things from your faculty, whatever has been transferred to me. Then one more program, that is data pins of LCD are connected to port B. Information is loaded to LCD. LCD programming हो गया आपका क्लास में?
Sir,
You probably were absent like this. Okay? Probably you were
yes.
absent. So I don't know, Anubhav, how many lectures you have attended?
Sir, actually, I think I have attended 2 or 3 lectures only.
Very good, very good. So that burden to explain you each and everything would
No,
be
sir,
on me.
I will learn it by myself. So just
Okay.
give me a week. I would have completed this, but I had burdens of like assignments and this
That is gonna to
external.
happen, yeah.
So I will complete it by next week, surely.
Okay, so just a minute. Then it is 8 attendance. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we have completed up to experiment 7, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So we have completed up to 5, 6, and 7. And one more is there, that is the Arduino software that is left out. So I hope that you can do that one at your own. I will give you as the self-study as we are not having enough turns because this is the last turn for you people. From the next week, you people are having the Viva submission, if I am not wrong.
Yes, yes. Yeah. Sir.
बराबर? Okay. Just a minute, be on the hold.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Anubhav.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, 6. So, okay, Anubhav. सो
Yes.
क्या करेंगे बोलिए, मैंने आपको काफी सारे प्रोग्राम्स दे दिए हैं. If it is so, then I will give you the program manual if you are thinking so. मैं
Sir,
आपको दे देता हूँ, लेकिन you have to keep that one up to you only. You need not to pass to anyone else.
ओके सर, आई वॉन्ट सर एक्चुअली आर्डिनो का मतलब हल्का नॉलेज तो मेरे को था, क्योंकि लाइक फर्स्ट सेम में आर्डिनो यूज़ किया था.
Then it would be fine for us. यार चलिए, कुछ तो आपने किया हुआ है. हाँ, it's
हाँ तो
not like
सर,
that you won't did anything.
तो सर आर्डिनो का तो मतलब आप अगर मेरे को
एक
प्रोग्राम दे
काम
देंगे तो
कीजिए, एक काम कीजिए, आप मुझे है ना हाई करके भेज दीजिए मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर, इफ यू आर हैविंग 878 वाला.
यस आई हैव.
Okay, so then I am going to send you. I am going to share that one only with you, and do not share that one to anyone else,
ओके.
because they haven't attended. Do not pass any kind of message to anyone that I do have, that you have been forwarded from the faculty, and I have only forwarded that it is going to be helpful to you. Okay, in order to write down the file, we need to write down the file in the handwritten format. So whatever I am going to pass to you, you need to write down, as well as you need to write down few more experiments that were related to 8085. If you are knowing, we have did several experiments of 8085.
यस सर.
Okay, so you write down those experiments. So handwritten file, you need to submit. Fine. So just send me the hi. I'm going to send you the file over there, and do not share with anyone. Okay.
सर योर नंबर इज
878.
8780927344.
Yeah, you can send me hi. I will send you the file.
आई डिड.
Okay, so soon I will be getting. I am going to send you. 717 is you.
नो सर. या सर, या 717 इज मी.
Okay, okay. So I am going to send you. Fine. Okay, chali, bye.
थैंक यू सर.
Yeah.
And sir, you will see the improvement in this
Yeah,
Viva.
obviously, and see that Majidi is given to you now. That is very nice book. Okay, and obviously, see, I can teach you, I can gear up you. But if it is straightway from the scratch now, it is going to be too much difficult.
Yes, I got you.
Okay, fine. Let's meet with some improvement. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.